Recovering a WhatsApp account without a SIM card.
In this video, we will explore whether it is possible to recover a WhatsApp account without a SIM card. We will cover the significance of the phone number in WhatsApp account recovery and discuss alternative methods for account recovery.
Why is the phone number important for WhatsApp account recovery?
The phone number is a crucial part of the account recovery process because it is the primary identifier for WhatsApp accounts. This is because 1. WhatsApp uses the phone number to verify your identity. 2. Phone number is used for two-step verification. 3. The phone number is tied to your chat history and contacts.
Can you recover your account without a SIM card?
The short answer is yes, but it requires additional steps. There are two main methods to recover a WhatsApp account without a SIM card. 1. Using a virtual phone number. 2. Requesting a change of phone number from WhatsApp support.
How to use a virtual phone number for account recovery.
A virtual phone number is an online service that allows you to have a phone number without a physical SIM card. To use a virtual phone number to recover your WhatsApp account, follow these steps. 1. Sign up for a virtual phone number service. 2. Choose a phone number from the available options. 3. Install and open the WhatsApp application. 4. Enter the virtual phone number when prompted. 5. Receive the verification code via the virtual phone number service. 6. Enter the verification code in WhatsApp to complete the account recovery process. Note: keep in mind that using a virtual phone number may not be as secure as using a physical SIM card.
How to request a change of phone number from WhatsApp support.
If you cannot access your SIM card or prefer not to use a virtual phone number, you can contact WhatsApp support to request a change of phone number. Here's how. 1. Visit the WhatsApp support page. 2. Select Account and Profile, and then Changing My Phone Number. 3. Fill out the support request form with the necessary information. 4. Explain your situation and provide the new phone number you want to use. 5. Wait for WhatsApp support to assist you with the account recovery process. Note: this method may take longer than using a virtual phone number, and there is no guarantee that WhatsApp support will approve your request. In summary, it is possible to recover a WhatsApp account without a SIM card by using a virtual phone number or requesting a change of phone number from WhatsApp support. However, these methods may come with their own set of challenges and risks. It is always best to ensure the security of your account by keeping your SIM card and phone number safe.